Hi beautiful people, in today's video I want to show you what to do if you are lacking content, that you want to create content and you find out that you don't have content to create. You don't know what to create, you don't know the type of content that you're supposed to create. So in this video today I'm going to show you how to know the content, or how to easily get idea on the type of content that you are supposed to be creating on YouTube. If you are just coming across this video, please do well to stay to the end, subscribe to my channel, don't forget to like and hit the notification bell so that when I post an update that can help you to grow your channel, you will be able to see it, and also is going to help you in so many ways that you can. When you want to look for content that you will create, the first thing that's supposed to come to your mind is, how will I do it? How will I do it? Where will I get this content so that it will not, so that I will not run out of idea? Or how will I get this content? What you're supposed to do is, if you come to your YouTube studio, you go to content, then in your content area, when it's open, you go to analytics, then come to trend. Then in trend you will see where they say top search, like this is what people are always searching on YouTube. So you can, in this trend, and you can choose any of the topic, like as this one, do it yourself, do it your own YouTube channel, and see the views they had in this last 9 days, and see the same, that's the easiest AI slide hustle. And this other content has 28,000 views in the last 2 weeks. This other one, I quit my tech job, has 24,000 views in the last 2 weeks, and a lot of them. So if you want to find content after you get to trend, these are the topic that is trending on YouTube as of now, which is this 10 niche to make money on YouTube, then how to create YouTube channel step by step and do it your own on channel. Then this one, we have opened it, so we are not sure if it's if it's going to suit us. So we want to know the one that when we create it, people are going to watch it. In as much as I open this one, is saying that it's content guard for short. So that means if you want to make short video, you can use this binary option and flow. Then how to make money online, you can use it. It's already a content gap. So that is to say, a lot of people have not made the video for a very long time. Now this last one that said 10 niches to make money on YouTube, let's explore it. We want to know if it is good, in as much as it's top search. So we want to know if truly is a good topic. So let's explore it. Come to explore topic and type 10 niche to make money on YouTube. 10 niche to make money on YouTube. 10 niche to make money on YouTube. So we are going to, search it. Now it has opened, so we are going to click here. It has opened up that place that I click. Now this ones has what we are looking for. If you check under, you will see medium volume, which is the best niche for USA YouTube channel. Top 5 niche for YouTube channel, trending niche for YouTube channel, and best niche for YouTube channel for students. So, and you see that all low volume, how to create YouTube channel and earn money, is the one that is high here, is on the high side here. Then this one is medium, how to make 10K a month on YouTube, how to earn money by making YouTube channel, how many views to make money, then how to make money by uploading videos on YouTube. And all these ones, as you can see them, they are all low volume. The only one that is high here, which is how to create YouTube channel and earn money, is the one that's have high volume. That means if you make the video, you are going to get view from it. So in this way, you will know the video that will go well for you. So if I want to choose any topic here to make, I can choose this I can choose this best niche for YouTube channel. I can choose this top 5 niches for YouTube channel, because it's related to the 10 niches to make money on YouTube. So I can take this 5 niche, and beside it is medium volume, or I will choose the first one, which is the best niche for USA YouTube channel. Best niche for USA YouTube channel. So I can choose any of these and use it and make my video, because I've already made my inquiry. So when you click on this top 5 niche for YouTube channel, you will see that people make the video 9 months ago, a year ago, 5 months ago. That means there is no current one as of today, which if you make it's not like it's that high, but at least is low, is a bit low. Then if you click on this one, best niche for USA YouTube channel, you also see people that make a related video concerning that particular topic that you were looking for. So when you click here, you can see a lot of them. Okay, this one is last 3 months. YouTube has changed. You need to make your niche now. So say YouTube have changed, you need to make your niche. And I think this one for last 3 months is the newest. Okay, there's another one for 1 month, which the hidden niche is the best niche to start a YouTube channel. So, and every other one that you can also recreate here, should in case you lack a content to create. If you have watched up to this time and you did not subscribe to this channel, please do well to subscribe, like, share this video, and comment. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.